To play Please Donate on Roblox, you'll need to set up a stand and create a game pass to start accepting donations. Initially, when you claim a stand, there won't be any donation buttons available. To get these buttons, you'll need to create either a t-shirt or a game pass and list it for sale. Creating a game pass is free, so that's the method to follow. First, open a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Then log into your account. Next, go to the top menu and select Create, which will bring you to the Creator dashboard under the Experience tab. Scroll down to find your username and select your place. By default, all Roblox users start with a place, so you won't need to create one. Once you've selected your place, go to the left menu under Details and select Associated Items. From there, select Passes and then click on Create a Pass. To create your game pass, upload an image from your computer, keeping in mind that it will be displayed on your stand and must be approved by Roblox. Give your pass a name and description. Then select Create Pass. After creating your pass, it may take some time to be approved by Roblox, so be patient. Once your pass is created, select it and go to the left sidebar under Owner and Details, then select Sales. To make the donation button appear on your stand, toggle Item for Sale and set a price. This will determine how many Roblox you'll receive in donations, with Roblox keeping 30% of the amount. After setting your price, select Save Changes and go back to your associated items, where you should see your game pass with a Roblox amount under it. This means it will show up on your stand. If you have other game passes that are marked as off sale or don't have a Roblox amount under them, they won't appear on your stand. Now, go back to Roblox and start up Please Donate. When you claim a stand, you should see the game pass you just created. If it doesn't show up initially, try clicking your stand a few times to reload it. You can change the text displayed on your stand by selecting the pencil icon to edit the booth, typing your desired text, and then applying it. You can also change the look of your stand or buy signs to hold up and display your game passes. That's how you play Please Donate on Roblox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. For more Roblox tips and tutorials, check out the additional resources available.